Hey y'all, Kayla Mowdy, Doctor of Physical Therapy with another Monday educational moment. I've talked a lot about wellness and general health. That's kind of what these videos are about, keeping you making good decisions about your health and wellness, and just making you more informed on those decisions. So today I found a really cool pie chart that is all the different aspects of wellness. Wellness is a state or condition of being in good physical and mental health. So there is a lot of complicated things that go with that: stress management, physical health, nutrition, emotional well-being. So here is the pie chart. So as you can see, spiritual, emotional, intellectual, physical, social, environmental, financial are all of the different things that go into wellness. So I'll share this graphic below. It's got some really cool tips in each section, but I just want to encourage you today to evaluate your wellness. Are you making good emotional decisions? Are you growing your intellectual wellness? Are you taking care of yourself physically and managing stress and getting plenty of sleep? Spiritually, do you have set beliefs and values that you go by when you make decisions every day? That can just decrease stress in itself if you have a set of defined values that are going to help you with decision making in everyday life, in work and home and friends and things. So if you do need to spend some time writing your personal values and reflecting on that, just that reflection time can help you be more aware of your heart and to follow it better in daily life. Financial well-being is very important also in this pie graph. If you're not financially well, if you're not making good decisions there, then you're going to be stressed out and you're going to have difficulty being well and feeling healthy. And then environmental, are you in a good environment, a clean, decluttered environment that helps you to thrive in all of the other areas? No one will ever be perfect in all of the areas. It's kind of just an evolving process. But it's really cool to take time to look at all of the factors that go into wellness and see is there one big one that's just really keeping you stressed out or not helping you manage daily life very well, and to get that plan going to get well. Does it mean you need to go see a physician or a counselor or someone who can give you ideas to manage that? None of us are perfect and none of us have all the tools to take care of ourselves. So don't be afraid to reach out to others, even if it's just a friend, to talk and build your social connections that also might help with your emotional wellness. Y'all have a good Monday. I'll post this below, and take care of yourselves. Bye, y'all.